Thanks, Johnny.
Alright, we're starting at the Gordon Murray stand with the T33 Spyder in orange, which looks really good. And we got the T50 in blue, which also looks really good. I like this car a lot. And then they got the red Niki Lauda S from last year, which is easily my favorite version. Look at that. God. That's sick. Man. Alright, here at Lamborghini, got the Revuelto in a nice dark blue. It's pretty good. Carbon roof. I don't know if that's a special edition or anything, but it's real nice. Excuse me, sorry. That looks really good. And then over here, oh, it's the new Temerario. It's the Huracan replacement. Haven't seen this car yet. Gotta say I'm not really sold on the back. Let's look at the front. So excuse me. Interesting. Here's Bentley. Got all the new Continentals, a Bentayga. I can find out. Pretty nice. Yeah, not gonna lie, I'm not really sold on that new Lambo. It's pretty ugly from the front and the back, so that's kind of disappointing. But, alright, let's walk around here. One of this year's themes is celebrating the 50th anniversary of the 930, I believe. So, there's a lot of older Porsches here. Oh, and the music's back. Okay. Alright, we're at Pagani. I'm probably going to have to be fast because of the music, but here's a Roadster. Pretty nice. And then here's a VC Roadster, which is really, really nice. Yeah, this is amazing.
Martin DB5 James Bond 007 car, which can be found in the post-war sports cars 1961 to 1975 class. The car underwent a 3.5-year, no expense spared, complete restoration, resulting in the finest James Bond DB5 in the world, one of the most iconic cars ever created.
This is so nice. God. Look at this carbon. Yeah, this is really, really nice. Alright, so here's the Imola Roadster from the BMF collection. I don't know if the camera's picking it up or not, but there's like, I don't know if that's crushed diamond. I don't know, but yeah, it's a pretty wild spec. Like, yeah, pretty insane. And here's the Utopia Roadster. Red carbon is nice, but still not sold on this car.
No, no, está igual del otro lado.
Yeah, the chrome wheels also are a no-go for me. Yeah, still not sold on that car, but whatever. And then over here under the cover is arguably the star of the entire show. You're good. Do not know why it's still undercover, but this is the Zonda Arrivederci, so we will come back when that's uncovered. Here's the Eccentrica Diablo. Pretty cool. Not going to spend too much time on this, but it's still a cool car. That interior is super nice. So here's the Resvani Beast. 1,000 horsepower. Never seen one of these. Pretty cool. Looks pretty nice. So we got a blue 959. That looks really good. And then this is almost like a modern interpretation on the 959. This looks really cool. Kalmar? I'm not familiar, but that looks really good. And then the 797. But yeah, this looks pretty sick. The blue on this 959 is awesome. And here's the tribute to the World Rally class cars. It looks like they have kind of everything. So here's an S1. Here is the Cosworth. That's really cool. Here's the MG. Never seen one of these in person. That is awesome. And they have like all the rally legends. There's the Lancia. You got Ford. You got Subaru over there. You got a freaking Koenigsegg RS200 next to a Lancia. Whatever. We're just looking at this. These are all sick. S4, man, 911S, this is tight, an Abarth 037, wow, another one, Koenigsegg RS200, that is so cool. I love this car. RS200s are so sick. That is an impressive lineup of rally cars. That is really, really cool. Alright, there's a lot of cars here, so I'm gonna have to go fast. But yeah, NSX. Really cool 765. So we got the purple IE over here, which is insane. That is wild. We got a prototype SE30 in blue. We got a Mura. Beautiful. We Got an XJ220 in red. Got a purple 675 with a roof scoop. This car is sick. Looks so good. That is nice. Gated Murci. Got a Senna. Huracan Evo, or Technica, I mean. Sorry, not Evo. Yeah, full carbon Senna. This car was delivered new to Colorado, fun fact. We got the Burgundy 918 again. Now I'm gonna have to go fast because of the music. Yeah, it's one of my favorite 918s ever. COK GTR Roadster. This car is insane. Crazy. So cool. So rare. Yeah, car's insane. Here's the McMurdy.
I want to know how much.
So small, or McMurtry, not McMurdy. Wild. Yeah, CLK GTR Roadster. Coming through here. Yeah, Burgundy 918 again. Next to that is a Carrera GT, which is pretty awesome. Seeing them side by side. And we got another XJ220. This one's green. Super nice color. Really cool red EB110. It's really, really nice. Yellow Vanquish. Don't really see those too often. We got a Mosler MT900S, which is sick. $5,000 QV. Real nice interior. Heritage Edition Ford GT. Yeah, this Mosler's so cool. That's sick. We got an Ultimate Roadster right there. One of the stars of the show, the brown manual Murci SV without the wing. This car sold for crazy money. Really nice. 12C. We got the Quail Roadster Americano.
A reminder that the Gordon Murray Automotive press conference will begin in 3 minutes at 11:20 a.m.
Another SC30
Automotive Field Exhibition.
P1 GTR or P1 HDK, whatever. They're all the same. Another EV110. Matte black Revuelto. I do like this car in matte black. It looks really good. Then we got a Valkyrie right here. Freaking insane. This car's so crazy. So yeah, Valkyrie right here. So wild, man. Then we got a Chiron Super Sport in a crazy spec, and this interior is bold. I mean, it looks cool, don't get me wrong, but that is bold. That's crazy. But it does match the car, so. Green carbon Valor. That's super cool too. This is really nice. Green carbon, it's got an orange interior. Yeah. Car looks really good.
Yes, I love it.
That pretty much wraps it up for this side, so we'll move to the other side. Alright, so now we're in the middle of the field. This is likely just a bunch of mixed older cars. I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time here. I'm sure there's a lot of nice cars, but yeah. C2, a lot of E-types, Panteras, like, there's a nice Miura over there. We'll go look at that. There's the Porsche Tribute, which is nice. But yeah, you get the idea. Citroen, it's cool. I think this is a Citroen. Oh no, it's not. Oh yeah, it is. Yeah, Citroen. Maserati. Lancia. So yeah, there's an Espada over there. Yeah, that red Espada is kind of cool. It was here last year. This is pretty cool. 3.0 SL Roadster. Here's the Miura. Pantera.
It reminds you of a sort of 60s mid-engine.
Alright, here's the Acura stand. That's cool. ARX06. Concept. This looks really nice.
Interior second, so we'll do that separately. Yep.
I actually like this a lot. This looks really good. Looks like a TLX Type S prototype. Honda Race, or Integra, I mean. Yeah, that's nice. Then we got Hennessey over here, which is what I was really excited for because they have 2 new ones this year. This green is amazing. That is sick. And this blue one is arguably even better. Wow. This is insane. Wow, this looks good. And they got a Revolution. These two, by the way, are a new model called the Stealth, I guess. I don't really know what the difference is between that and the Revolution, but apparently there's only 3 of them, and that's 2 of them right there. So, yeah, here's a Revolution, and then here's a Revolution Roadster. So, yeah. 4 cars this year. There's 2 others rolling around. The green Hulk one, which I thought was going to be here, but I guess isn't, is here in the peninsula. But yep. So there's Hennessey. Got a lot more classics over there. Here's Gunther Works. Nice color on this. Alright, here's Rimac. This is the new Nevera R. which I'm guessing is just a track version. Looks really good though. It's got a big wing on the back that's fixed instead of active. It's pretty large, but yeah, this looks pretty good. I'm a fan. I know it's electric, but it looks really good. All right, we're at Bugatti. Here's the new Chiron. No, all jokes aside, it's a really good looking car. But yeah, here's the new Bugatti.
We're driving around, every hypercar is green.
Pretty sick.
You are 2 minutes, okay. Yeah, no problem.
This is cool too. Rolling chassis of the Tourbillon. So much carbon. Jesus. Yeah, this is pretty nuts. Alright, here's Maserati. Got the Extrema or whatever it's called. It's about the same lineup as last year. MC12 Heritage thing. It's cool. Diablo GTR. Pretty sick.
What car that was when it was posted on Instagram. Now I know.
Really, really cool. This is a badass car. Alright guys, we're at my favorite stand now. So here's the Koenigsegg stand. They have so many good cars this year. Here's Ruthie, the Record RS. Up on stage, there's a purple Chimera. That is incredible. A new CC850. Really, really nice. So this is the first U.S. customer Jesko that will be unveiled at some point today. Yeah. And then here's the World Record Absolute. Oh, that's cool. We got the white with blue carbon Regera. It's pretty sick. CCX. Another CCX. So 2 base CCXs, which is pretty cool. And then CCXR with the full Ghost package. The 1-of-1 CCGT, which is insane. So that's wild. And then they have both CCX editions. So there's only 2 in the world, and they're both here. So here's the first one. Here is a CCR from Canada, which is sick. Another CCX, and then here's the other edition. So yeah, that's a pretty ridiculous lineup of Koenigsegg's. It's insane. Yeah. So here's the new, like, tribute to the 911 GT1. This thing looks pretty awesome. I'd like to see it close too. But yeah, GT1's one of my favorite cars ever, so I like this. So we got a lineup of some McLarens. This is a Senna Sempre. Never heard of that, but it looks pretty wild. And then a couple F1 cars. Pretty sick. Then a Senna GTR and a Senna LM. Alright, made it to the last section. This is where Ferrari is, so yeah. Got 3 F40s. It's pretty awesome. Pininfarina's over here.
Let me sing forevermore.
But yeah. 3 F40s. 812 comp. Aperta. Really nice spec. SF90 Spyder. Let's see what else Ferrari's got. Keep moving this way. We got a Dino. We got the GT4. Got another Dino. Got a 599. Got a 550 Barchetta. This is a 365 Daytona Nart Spyder. This is a 166 MM. So that's worth some money. 250 California long wheelbase.
Well done.
Spyder, obviously. That's a 250 Europa. 342 America. 430 Scud. Hmm. 308 GTB.
Right, that's what I think.
328. Oh no, this is 308 too. Looks like a 330. Yep, 330 GTC. 365 GT. A really nice spec speciale. Then 360 Spyder. And I actually think this is it for Ferrari. Oh, this is a manual. That's nice. Yeah, not actually a crazy impressive lineup, I gotta say. I know this year's theme was like honoring the great Ferraris, but still, here's a 340 Mexico. Looks cool. I don't know. I expected more cars, but yep, that's Ferrari. And here's Pininfarina. Got the Battista Spyder. Looks pretty good. And then the B95 Gotham. And that pretty much wraps it up for Quail, except for the Zonda and the Jesko. So I'll wait for those.
Okay, fantastic. Looks so good. Oh, we can love this.
100 congratulations to y'all.
Thank you so much.
It's so beautiful.
Well, it's not my car, but it's my company.
Yeah, you know.
It's Jeff's.
She knows.
It used to be them, now it has me
it's all opened up, so maybe they'll put it back. Come and show you what it actually looks like, but it's white with red stripes. Looks pretty damn good. Yeah, maybe they'll close in a little bit and we'll come back, but there it is. Some weird Cadillac concept. Looks pretty insane.
Thank you so much.
It's crazy. And here it is. The Pagani that was under the cover. Zonda Arrivederci. It's so over the top, but it's so cool. It's like silver carbon with blue carbon, red. There's definitely a lot going on, but wow, that is sick.
You will love it. You're a diehard. But it's something different. It's not
So there we go. That is the Quail 2024. That is insane. Alright, it's all put back together now. So here's the actual spec. Really, really, really nice.
It does. January, they're like 60.
Really nice spec. So yep, there you go. That's it for me. So that's a wrap for Quail 2024.